Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JAGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But quite the crazy movement on this one today. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, and now all of a sudden the price has worked its way up to where it has. Now, granted, it did pull back quite a bit from its highs, but point here being, relatively speaking, from where the price was in this range to where it is right now, nice solid move, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at 37 cents. Why is 37 so important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down here to 37, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart where it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no price can go straight up either. So maybe the price does need to pull back a little bit more, behaves like that. The difference being then begins to recover back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows down there if you envision each of those as stair-steps. Well, hey, at least at this point, you now have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 37 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if the price starts to head back up, first key battleground to watch closely going to be right up there at the 43 cent mark. And then after 43, not just anything until up around 45. But let's just first see if the price can break up through 43. But all in all, crazy movement today. Nice solid move, not just a question mark of can the price continue to build upon this move moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.